So we're boiling. I just flipped it for 1 minute. Okay, 1 more minute, and we're gonna take it out, and then we're gonna season it. Okay, so I'm gonna take these out now. Drain it good. Okay, put it on your tray. It's a nice looking one right there. Make sure you get all the water down. This came out pretty nice. Probably gonna have to use 2 pans. Oh, this one came out like a Turkish crescent moon. All right, and then we'll top these. I'll turn this off. We're gonna dip these in for everything. Just gently take it, drop it in, tap it, go in the hole, and take it out, put it out like that. Okay. Try not to use too much. This one I'll go next with sesame. Drop it in, go into the hole, take it out, shake out some excess. Okay. All right, and then we'll do one poppy. Poppy for poppy with my half moon one. Actually, we'll do a salt one. Okay, just give it a tap. Shake out some of the excess. Okay, it may be a little hot, so work fast. All right, so we're gonna bake these for about 14, 15 minutes, and then we'll check them at 450.